Hi there, it's Jane here, an affiliate marketing consultant and trainer. And for today's video, let's talk about affiliate marketing. One of the roles that you can get started with when you um, get into affiliate marketing is for you to become an affiliate program manager. So I'm going to take you now to Upwork. So let's just look what the project is all about and see if this is something that you want to do. So here, Upwork again is a job marketplace where you can find and apply for online jobs. So kung titingnan natin dito, the title or the job title is Affiliate Program Manager for Multiple Brands. Pag sinabi natin multiple brands, these are different businesses. And kung makikita nyo rito yung rate, this is actually the rate na sinet ni client for the what do you call this one, the budget for this role is between $8 to $75. So here pinakita ni client na ano siya ito yung na-mention niya dito, ito yung na-require. So, ito yung role or the job description on the role of an affiliate or slash ambassador manager. So, ang magiging role niya is number one. So, ito yung responsibilities. Number one is to identify affiliates. So, it's part ng process nito is what we call affiliate recruitment. So, ang ginagawa dito ng isang affiliate manager is to find potential affiliates that would promote the brand or the program. So, yun yung number one responsibility ng isang affiliate manager. Second is one of the role as well is to manage the outreach and the sign-up process. So, ang ginagawa naman dito is like once the affiliate manager identifies the right affiliates, ang gagawin niyan is the affiliate manager reaches out to that individual, and when the individual sign up for the affiliate program, the role of the affiliate manager is siya yung mag-onboard um, when it comes to uh, signing up. Once na nag-sign up na, i-onboard niya yan to what they call this one, to share about what the program is all about and what's the process. And the next responsibility of an affiliate manager is for the affiliate manager to manage affiliate platforms, links, and posts. So, depende yung platforms na yan. It depends kung ano yung ginagamit na software or probably affiliate network ba ang ginagamit. So, ang ginagawa dito is you set up and then you manage an account. So, dito kumukuha ng mga tracking links. And then after that one of those, again, the job role is to manage affiliate tracking payouts. So this is the part wherein tinatrack kung sino na nakapag-generate ng sales, and then kung nandito rin yung part na when it comes sa payout ng mga affiliates. So this is part of the role. And then another thing is meron din itong managed product samples. So, actually this one, bihira siya, no? But yeah, but again, for some, sinasama rin yung role na when it comes to mga product sampling. So, this could be one of the roles of or responsibilities ng isang affiliate manager. And then, of course, to manage the content of the affiliate. So, ayan, this one is actually more on the mga swipes, creating contents na that can be used by the affiliates to promote the program. And then the next responsibilities then for an affiliate manager is to track the performance of the affiliate marketing campaign. So basically, that's the overall job or project responsibilities when you become an affiliate manager. And then let me give you, so ito, I actually applied for this one, and when I applied for this one, so ganito yung mga questions. There's this cover letter, then meron mga set of questions that you have to answer. And then after I applied, I was asked by the client to send a video insights about the direction for this program. And so what they did was to share, okay, let me share again. Okay. And so having read all those responsibilities, what I did was to send a proposal on what will I do for the next 90 days when the client decides to work with me. So this is um, yung sample ng a very quick na layout lang on what I will do. So let's say for example, ang ginawa ko was to acknowledge the role or the responsibilities of the affiliate manager. So I just laid out kung ano yung sinabi doon sa project description. I just put there isa-isa yan. And then I explain it again. Kasi I did a video again to talk about how will I approach the project. Okay? So ayan, nakalagay dito yung mga roles and the responsibilities of an affiliate program manager. And then after that one, I actually talk about, so what I did was to come up with a 5 steps plan on how I'm going to approach the project. So let's say, for example, I started with understanding where we are right now. So it's more on the role here, or the activity that we need to do here is to do an affiliate program audit. So basically at this phase, it's something like understanding what is the current affiliate program, where they are right now, knowing their how is their onboarding process, and then knowing who are their customers avatars, understanding if how do they share the content, checking as well what's the process of managing the affiliates, are they going to train. So basically this is the phase 1, understanding where the affiliate or the business is. Okay, and then the next step that I actually propose is since I look at it like a 90 days muna, so I want to project with the 90 days. So ang nilagay ko dito, the step 2 is all about understanding saan pupunta after 9 days. So sa step 2, I set it here, the goal and KPI setting. And then let's say for example, yung ginawa kong goal was to get that positive ROI from the affiliate marketing campaign. And then next, I identify the KPI, or the key performance indicators. And I simply tell that this is the number of affiliate sign-ups that we want to achieve. And second one is the sales coming from the affiliate marketing campaign. So those are the things that I have proposed for step 2. And then the next one is understanding what are the steps needed to achieve the 90 days goal. So I come up with that proposal again to come up with a strategic plan. So in this one, in this phase, I emphasize 2 things. What is it that something that will entice, so come up with a plan that will entice the target affiliates to join. And second one is something that the affiliates will keep the affiliates to keep on going or promoting the brand. So those are part, or the 2 pain points that I mentioned on my proposal. And then step 4 is the strategy implementation. So after the plan is being done, the next step is for me to take action and to make things happen. Okay. And then last would be the step 5. So once the plan is implemented, so what we are going to do is we identify what is the result and what should be improved. So basically on the step 5, that is the process improvement. It's more on fine-tuning the process and implementing necessary actions to improve the affiliate program campaign plan. So basically, those are the 5 steps that can be done. If you are an affiliate program manager, those are the 5 things that you can actually get started or offer to the client. So that's it. And I do hope that you get that quick information on how to get started on the steps on what to take as an affiliate program manager. So that's it. And once again, this is Jane, an affiliate marketing consultant and trainer.